Breaking news coming in right there. There's a dramatic twist in the Kerala gold scam case. UAE Consulate General's gunman has been found with his wrist slit after suspected suicide bait. He was found injured near his house by a local resident while being taken to the hospital. Jaya Ghosh has denied any kind of role in the gold smuggling racket. Now, sources are also telling India Today that the call records of mastermind Swapna Suresh reveal that she had also dialed Jaya Ghosh. That's a big twist coming in this particular story. We'll be getting you all the latest updates. Gopi Krishnan is going to be joining us for the latest on this. But this is a dramatic twist coming in the Kerala gold scam case. Gopi is now joining us. Gopi, the UAE Consulate General's gunman found with wrist slit after the suspected suicide bait. Is there more to it than meets the eye? What are the authorities and the police saying at this point of time? Where does the probe really stand?
Well, this particular case seems to be turning murkier by each given day. Because yesterday we had this information that the attaché or the acting UAE Consulate General to India has left the country without informing the investigating agencies. It may not really be necessary for him to inform the investigating agencies, but for the investigating agencies, he was actually a key person of contact as far as the evidence gathering was concerned. So the investigating agencies were actually exploring the possibilities of taking statement from him. They may not really have gone on to the extent of arresting or taken him into custody. But unfortunately, that way is now completely shut because the attaché is now no longer in India. We have been told that he left to Delhi last week, and from Delhi, he has flown off to Dubai, flown off to UAE. Now, there was a series of events that was unfolding after he has left to UAE. Because since yesterday evening, we got this information that he is no longer in India. The whole suspicion and the question started to be raised against the particular gunman. He was actually a
Yes, and also let's tell our viewers how the Kerala gold scam probe has intensified as the MEA is now in touch with the UAE investigating authorities. This is coming in as the National Investigative Agency had got a non-bailable warrant against Fazil Farid, a key accused believed to be operating from UAE. On the other hand, the NIA has taken over the custody of Sarith, one of the main accused from the Customs Department. The NIA has also completed the searches carried out at the premises of the arrested accused. Summons to the other suspects in the case will be sent over the next few days. Earlier during the probe, customs officials had questioned Shiva Shankar, the former principal secretary to Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, for about 9 hours, as his call details reveal that accused Sarith called him 14 times between April and June.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.